Să stai pe prezentare, altfel las-o așa, că dacă poți. Nu. E la tine în mixer, băgat.
Da, dar din mixer nu mai băgat în
Ba da. Să nu-i HDMI. Las că dau sunetul de pe
ăla e de băgat. Laptop.
Stai, zice că da, zice că da, zice că da. Zice că da, că-l văd acum.
Da, și niște de care sunt ce-am folosit televizor. Acest an? Da,
24, and you can see here important names, but also new names like Ashma or Yanfeng, and which are developing more and more businesses through the world, in the world, not only in Asia but also in Europe and South America and other regions. So, what is important from this slide is that 16 of these 20 suppliers have production facility in Romania and in the CE region. So we are proud of that. So for the Romanian automotive industry, this is a plus. Yeah. In European Union, uh, when we are talking about market, someone asked me yesterday when we had the dinner, what will happen next in Europe. We have a trend of electrification. Although the market last year grew by 3.9%, as in the European Union, in other regions there was also this growth, and also in the world, 2.5% growth. Although this market grow, we are seeing a trend of changing uh, vehicles vehicle sales. So you can see that in the first 2 months of 2025, the share of electrified vehicles, we are talking about electrified vehicles, not only fully electric vehicles, electrified vehicles, battery electric vehicles, hybrid electric vehicles, and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, it's around 60% of the total market. That represents a change from the last year, around 10% plus for electrified vehicles compared to 2023 and 2024, which means that we are going to see until 2035 an electrified market in Europe. And as it requires zero CO2 emissions, we are going to see fully electric vehicles in 2045. If, if there will be no change concerning synthetic fuels or hydrogen as alternatives in order to cover the market. In Romania, had last year a production of more than 560,000 units, which was a new record for the automotive industry in our country, plus 9%. But unfortunately, for the start of this year, in 2 months, we are seeing a decrease compared to the same period of last year of 14%. That is, everyone is asking why. I'm thinking about the fact that also Dacia and also Ford introduced new models, and it is a period of adaptation of the line of products in order to reach the production level which is required, and this has caused some delays of production. But we'll see in the next months what will happen next. Last year, Romania was on the 5th place in Europe as a production of passenger cars, of small cars, which is a good thing for us. As a general information about the Romanian industrial sector, we are number one in Romania. as automotive industry. We have more than 640 companies, Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 suppliers with more than 240,000 direct employees. Total turnover in 2023 was 43 billion euros last year. We do not have the figures yet, but we are estimating a figure about 45 billion euros, which is an increase, of course. Share of total GDP of Romania is around 14%. Total export last year, 24 billion euros. In 2024, it will be around 26 billion euros. And top three Romanian export companies, Dacia, Ford, and Daimler, from all the industrial sectors, not only from the automotive industry. And the total share of national export, it is now around 47% of national export. It is represented by the automotive industry. So you can see the importance of this sector. Everyone in the press is talking about Romania is not efficient. Production in Romania is not efficient. Why is not efficient? Look at this study, and it shows that the gross value added contribution of manufacturing in CEE, the highest gross value added is in Romania compared to the other countries. So also in the automotive industry, this is the case. So Romania is manufacturing products with gross high value added. And challenges, unfortunately, every time when I display this, it doesn't show this corner. It is China as a challenge. So maybe who knows, maybe the software we are using is not displaying the map of China, but this was displayed here. So this is one challenge, but this could be also an opportunity, because we are seeing more and more Chinese companies that are coming to Europe. Are coming to Europe to make businesses, to buy companies, to make joint ventures, and also to produce vehicles and components in Europe for the cars. We are manufacturing now in Europe, but also for the other regions. And this could be also an opportunity, not only a challenge. Of course, one of the challenges is change of mobility. We are seeing now 2 wheels, 3 wheels, 4 wheels, electric vehicles. We are seeing autonomous buses, connected trains, and everything else is changing in Europe. Rising prices. Every day we are seeing rising pricing in energy, rising prices in raw materials, in salaries, also in this part. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. I'll finish. I have 2 slides more. And the other one, which is a European challenge, is reducing CO2 emissions from the production, from the vehicles, from the transport, from everything. Okay? And also carbon footprint from the suppliers. You know, you have CBAM now, so you have to check your carbon footprint. And about Acarom, the association were founded in 1996, and I finish now. We are a public utility association. We are official partner of the Romanian government for the automotive industry. I'm also an honorary advisor of the government for the automotive industry. That's my new position. And we are representative of the Romanian automotive sector in the European Association of Automotive Manufacturers, which give us a lot of importance concerning regulations, automotive regulations in Europe. Thank you, and if you have questions, I'm available anytime. I will be here all the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Adrian, for giving us the pulse of the automotive industry in Romania and the world, as always. For our next speaker, I would like to invite in front Mr. Ciprian Ilie on behalf of Total Energies Romania.
Thank you. Sorry for that. Technical issues, as usual. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the beautiful city of CPU or Hermannstadt. Sorry for my German. First of all, I want to say congratulations for the people who put all this exhibition together. I know it's very hard to put everything in place. I know it's very stressful for you. So please, let's give them a round of applause for them. So congratulations. Ooh, yeah, we start on the good foot. Okay, my name is Ciprian. I'm a chemical engineer and I'm proud to be. Today I'm not gonna do chemical review. I want to present my company that I work since 2019 BC, before COVID, Total Energies. Last year, Total Energies celebrate 100 years of existence. The history starts in 1924 when the Prime Minister of France, back then, Monsieur Jacques Lemasson, says that the oil is become as essential as blood for the man. So the company Française du Pétrole has born. At the start of the 2000s, Total Energies merged with Petrofina and ELF and become one of the biggest key major player in oil and gas industry sector. In 2021, Total changed its names in Total Energies because now we made oil, gas, lubricants, and grease. We also create energy and distribute made by wind turbines, by renewables. In Romania, this year we're gonna celebrate 20 years. In June, we're gonna have 3 days of team building, so it's good for us. It's good to be an employee this year for Total. 20 years in Romania. In 2005, Total bought in Cristian the plant Lubrifin. Maybe some of you know this. In Cristian, and we have the plant, one of the most modern and automatic plant in the group of Total Energies in Europe. In Romania, we have 3 business lines: industrial lubricants, auto engine oil, greases, also a bitumen deposit near to Brașov in Ozun, and we have the offices in Bucharest and of course in Ozun. As I said, we have, okay. Also, other business lines in Romania are special fluids, also distribution generation. Our main goal in Romania is until 2030 to become a company with zero emission of CO2. And at group speaking, Total Energies, his ambitions of group is that in 2050 to become the first company that have zero emission of CO2. Also, we have a European polymer hub. These are just numbers of how many tons per year we create or made of greases or lubricants. So, why we're here? We are here to tell you that we offer you different kinds of lubricants for your activity. Lubricants for specific application. We have specific lubricants for aluminium, food industry, energy, of course, a lot of automotive products that can help you with your business. Also, a lot of great greases. I don't have enough time to say one by one, so that's why we invite you to further discussion to our booth, number 46, or Valentino Rossi, for MotoGP fans. We have also good packaging of lubricants for metalworking application, for different type of application, from grinding, drilling, for all kind of metalworking, mining sector, steel, aluminium sector. But like I said, we can have a deeper conversation in our booth. Another advantage that Total Energies offer you is services of oil analysis. Like you know, we humans, we go to time to doctor, collect blood samples. I hate to go to doctors. I hate to have blood sampling. I hate it so much that I married with a doctor. My wife, she's a doctor, so that's why I hate it. Total Energies offer you these kinds of analysis. So time to time, we go to our customers, we collect lubricant samples in the manufacturing, and we test it to see the additive content, his additive index, or if they have some external contamination. For our customer to reduce their TCO, to reduce their downtime, and you want to help them to go to corrective maintenance to preventive maintenance. So this is what I want to say in these several minutes. Like I said, we are here for you today to speak more to our booth. And before I go, if there are some questions in the audience, I'm very happy to take it and answer it for you. I think no, thank you so much. Have a nice and productive day. You have a question? Oh.
I have a question because you have such a big product portfolio. What is the average delivery time of your products?
Sorry?
What is the average delivery time of your products?
Delivery time, okay. Good question, very good question. Delivery time is very important. I am happy that you not ask about the cost or the prices. I don't want to speak this because it's different times for everyone. The delivery time, okay, like I said, we have a plant here in Brașov. We do several industrial lubricants, several greases. For the products that are manufactured, blending in our plant here in Romania, the delivery time is between 24 to 48 hours. But for other products that they are blending in our plants in Europe, Belgium, Italy, France, the estimate delivery time is between 3 to 4 weeks. Okay. So again, thank you so much. Have a nice and productive day. See you soon. Goodbye.
Thank you, Ciprian. For our next moment, as the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words and a video is worth 1,000 pictures. So before introducing our next speakers,
have a nice and productive day. See you soon. Goodbye.
we will have a very short video. For our next moment, as the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000
Over the
words
past
and a video
50
is worth
years,
1,000 pictures. So before introducing our next
we've had a
speakers,
lot of looks.
See you soon.
we will have a very short video.
Now, we're one FedEx.
Our next moment, as the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words and a video is worth 1,000 pictures. So before introducing our next speakers, we will have a very short video.
Now, we're one FedEx.
Our next moment, as the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words and a video is worth 1,000 pictures. So before introducing our next speakers, we will have a very short video.
We're one FedEx.
Our next moment, as the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words and a video is worth 1,000 pictures. So before introducing our next speakers, we'll have a very short video.
We're one FedEx.
Our next moment, as the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words and a video is worth 1,000 pictures. So before introducing our next speakers, thank you for your attention. I would like to invite in front for the next moment for our next presenter, Mr. Ionut Unga, District Sales Manager for FedEx.
Thank you.
Thank you for your attention. I would like to invite in front for the next moment for our next presenter, Mr. Ionut.
Good morning, ladies. Good morning, gentlemen. I'm Ionut Unga, District Sales Manager at FedEx. It is a great privilege for me to represent FedEx here today. And I'm excited to show you how we can support your businesses through our dedicated logistics solutions. As you've seen from the previous video, FedEx has a long history in the logistics industry. We are the world's greatest cargo airline with a fleet of more than 700 aircrafts across 22 countries in the whole world and shipping more than 17 million consignments per day. With FedEx, you will have access to a global network that will facilitate the move of your shipments and offer a lot of value-added solutions with your company. How we're doing that? Through speed, flexibility, reliability, visibility and control, and last but not least, cost-effective economy options. So I believe if there are buyers or purchasing managers here, I caught their attention with these cost-effective options. In Europe, we serve 65 airports across 45 countries and territories. And we offer next-day express deliveries to all major cities and not only. We also have the most comprehensive and fastest road networks in Europe for both parcels and pallets. Our road network consists of 27 hubs, which are connected by more than 5,000 trucks and trailers, which are facilitating the move of more than 1.3 million shipments per week. With this extensive road network and our most recent investments in our hubs, we can move not only your parcels, but also your freight. So we are not only a parcel company, but we also do a lot of freight. We also have the most comprehensive dangerous goods offers in the market. And we're not only doing limited DG quantities, but we are also fully regulated via our intra-European road network. In Romania, we are fully connected to the global and European FedEx networks. And we offer the full range of FedEx services, including next-day domestic. How we're doing that? We have 3 main road and air hubs in Bucharest, Timișoara, and Cluj, which are supported by 16 local stations spread all over the country, major cities. So to conclude or to briefly resume what I said before, FedEx is a one carrier for all your needs. Now, with almost 20 years of personal experience in logistics, mainly with the automotive sector, I've been frequently challenged with very urgent deliveries. So when customers say, especially customers from the automotive sector, when they say that they have an urgent delivery, they don't really mean that they need the shipment tomorrow morning. They don't even mean that they need the shipment today. What they actually mean is that they need the shipment yesterday. So until a time travel machine will be in place, our scientists are working on that, we can fulfill your most urgent needs through our dedicated special services department. My colleagues are always there to cover those needs by offering a wide range of time-critical solutions, such as courier on board, air charter, dedicated vans, dedicated pickups or deliveries. And also, we offer a full range of value-added solutions, such as sea and rail freight. I encourage you to use the QR code in the materials provided by us to get a personalized offer and find out more on how FedEx can support your needs. You are welcome to visit us at booth number 12. Myself and our team are available to get more information about your needs and offer a customized solution to your needs. If you don't know where the booth number 12 is somewhere on that side of the room. I know that we have a lot of existing customers present here at this event, and I would like to take advantage of this opportunity to thank them for the existing business and to thank them for their trust they've shown in our services. And for the rest of the companies which are not our customers yet, you don't know what you're missing. And you're welcome to visit us at our booth. Thank you once again, and have a nice rest of the day. For the rest of the companies which are not our customers, you don't know what you're missing. Thank you once again. Have a nice day.
Relocated some animals that have been displaced, some 8,500 police cars, some European champion jumping horses.
Over the past 50 years, we've had a lot of looks. Now, we're one FedEx. Over the past 50 years, we've had a lot of looks. Now, we're one FedEx.
Okay, thank you, and we apologize for the small technical errors. We have two more presentations on very hot topics, renewable energies and AI. So for our next speaker, I would like to invite in front Mr. Răzvan Ionescu on behalf of Energy Energy, a company from Bulgaria.
Hello everybody, I'm Răzvan Ionescu from Energy. Fortunately or unfortunately, we are not from Bulgaria, we are an Austrian company. I know that is not okay, but I will start with an apology. My boss and brother from another mother told me 1 hour ago that I'll do the presentation, so please excuse me if I'm going to stutter or tell some stupid things. Well, I don't like speaking in public, so please excuse me. Well, some technical issues. The good thing about my boss asking me to present is that he finally admitted that I'm better looking than him. So, well, you can see I'm a little bit better looking than him. So, Energy. We are an Austrian company, an independent power producer. We are quite a young company. We are 5 years old, so we are not even in school yet. We were founded in the beginning by the Free Seas Initiative Fund. So we are developing projects of renewable energy in the Free Seas part between the Baltic Sea, Adriatic, and the Black Sea. Sorry. We have around 169 megawatts installed capacity in Romania. We have wind farms, solar PVs, and two very small and problematic hydropower plants. But we like to give them to have almost all the renewable portfolio, except the geothermal. Why are we here? We, as I said, we are a independent power producer, and we are looking for customers and to close PPAs, close long-term contracts. Why do we would like green PPAs? It's good. So basically, we can offer a very competitive price for renewable energy. We can reduce or completely offset your carbon footprint and achieve ESG goals that your company might have. We are very open to negotiations. We offer customized agreement that will cover all the needs. In Romania and in Europe, we have a very good track record. In Romania, we signed 6 PPAs. One of them was signed with automotive industry, the tire manufacturer, Nokian. It was a public one. So because of this, we signed a virtual PPA. Sorry. As I mentioned, I'm not very good at public speaking, so I make mistakes. So Nokian tires, we signed a PPA with them for 80 gigawatt hours per year for a period of 11 years. And during this period, we're going to deliver to them green energy. Also, our experience in the automotive producers is also with Pentaler in the Czech Republic, where we signed a physical PPA. Also. For 49 gigawatt hours for 10 years. So, in case you need renewable energy, you want to have to offset your carbon footprint, we are the company. We are very open to discussions. We are very open with the price structure. And we are very good in negotiations. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And for our next presenter, last but not least, I would like to invite in front Mr. Gheorghe Marteș from Zinc Software and Codeno AI.
Thank you. So, I'm Gheorghe Marteș from Zinc Software is a software company from Cluj. We've been in business from 2010, so almost 50 years. We've made solutions from IoT, AI, complex platforms for enterprise. In the last 7 years, we've developed a very, very complex platform for manufacturing. Basically, that brings the most advanced technology to the field and try to address all the problems that basically most of the companies in production are facing. So to start, basically companies have different stages of evolvement. Usually most of the companies that are in the first stages, they do everything manual. Basically they have, in the best case, they have Excel files in which they store orders, or they have basically everything on paper. If they move to the next step and they start to digitize, basically they might increase the production 10 to 20%, only by basically detecting and making sure that the process for all employees and the production process is always basically in line. The next, if they start to connect basically devices, in the previous stage, they basically they need to enter manually the activities and all the operations that they are doing. It's basically starts to be very complicated if there are a lot of employees. Most of the employees will not want to enter manually the data. So the next stage would be to basically to connect the devices, equipments, that all the activities is automatically taken. That all obviously increase the productivity. That the productivity increase can be seen also as basically as greater margin for the profit. So the next step would be to basically to make data analysis for the data. For example, adding predictive maintenance, or basically managing energy consumption and managing the quality process. The last stage of basically automation would be smart manufacturing, which means that everything is automated. You don't need to, users will not need to put anything manually. All the processes are automatically detecting anomalies, and the improvement process is continuous. So what we are offering? We are offering a platform that basically can adapt completely on every business. I think the worst case for software, it's that you have a lot of softwares that are not integrated with each other, and basically if you want to integrate them, the cost starts to be extremely huge. So what we are offering, we are trying to model for existing software that each company has, basically integrating their data and complete all the processes that are not existent there. So starting to production monitoring, planning and scheduling, asset management, production resource management, tool life management, and this is on top of a highly complex platform that supports AI, device integrations with most of the equipments that are on the market now, and data analysis that is done by default. So an example of process, it's basically the client can be integrated in the current ERP system. The order is automatically transferred to the basically the bill of materials, the technology is constructed, then the order is planned. And basically, a mess or manufacturing operation management monitors the execution of the order. We have solutions also for warehouse management, and basically, because the platform is a no-code, any solutions that is not existing. For example, if you want to build, I don't know, the company has a laboratory, and we want to manage the analysis of that, to have traceability of all the products that we're building. Basically, we can do it easily this application as well. So, few screenshots from Codeno to understand the complexity. Basically, this is a dashboard that is animated, and you see basically there are solar panels, and try to manage basically the activity and how much energy is put in the grid. This is custom, meaning that it's a drag and drop. We have tens of widgets that we can integrate easily. So we have planning tools, we have 3D viewers, we have basically, we can put very advanced technology definitions for it. So it's designed for any industry. So it's basically, it can handle any process whatsoever. How I said, it's built on top of the core, which has data intelligence, data integration. We have AI, so we have real-time predictions, we have anomaly detections, we can do predictive maintenance. We have Codeno IoT, which basically can connect all the devices and to monitor and to put alerts on top. So we have Codeno apps, which we can build custom apps. And Codeno AR, it's a mixed reality solutions. So what are the benefits? Instead of obviously customizability, it's much easier to customize. Usually, if you had a relation with software companies, usually it's very hard to convince them to do something different because the cost. Yeah, I mean, it's not hard, but it's expensive. Then basically, here being a local platform, it's much easier to customize. And in the same time, it's also future-proof. So if the process change and the company wants to change its process, it doesn't mean that, okay, we need to buy another software and throw it out. You say, okay, let's change this, and basically it's a much better. The integration, it's all in one platform. Users doesn't need to work in 5 softwares, and basically the data is not migrated in one or the other. So you have, for example, a planning tool, and you have a mess that is totally different. Then when an ERP is totally different, and you end up that if you want to do some planning, you need to import each time the resources, availability, and so on. This is not the case with Codeno because all the data space is directly integrated. Basically, the products can be linked directly. So implementation time is faster. Maintenance is much easier because it can be fewer. It enforces fewer vendors that usually having different software for each one. And user is much user friendly. Meaning, if a user learns a platform, basically can use all the other modules. It's the same. So the process, the implementation process, it can be up to 2 months, 3 months to basically to have a first version. So basically, we have a kickoff workshop, we have an analysis and setup to understand exactly what are the needs. And basically, if we see that if there are customizations, flows, and so on, and and after that, to basically launch and post live. Okay, so and basically this process is continuous. So it's not done only once. It can be done each time the client wants changes. So we analyze and we continue to evolve the platform in order to fit their exact needs. I think the worst case, I think the worst case it's like running. If you don't have the right shoes, it can be either very painful or you cannot run fast. The same is with the software. It's not fit properly. It might be extremely bad for everyone, and basically everyone will reject it. Will say, "Hey, it's not good for us." The software is not the cost if it's doing the right thing. The software is should be an investment. Thank you very much, and if you have questions, we are on stand 74. So.
Thank you. Thank you, and thank you everyone for your attention. Just two quick general public interest announcements. We have the pleasure to announce the raffle tombola organized by Univet, an Italian manufacturer of protective eyewear, present in 68 countries and occupying the top position in Europe. With an experience of more than 25 years, Univet provides unique designs and excellent treatments for glasses, protecting workers in various industries. The raffle shall take place at 1500 hours at the Univet booth number 10 and shall have 10 winners, prizes consisting of protective